Is it on?
Yeah.
It's so bright. Hello everyone. Today we're outside on location doing a quick discussion on two-stroke alternatives and why I went with the WORX system, the Power Share system, instead of the Ego. And that really just came down to battery size, as I mentioned in the first video. This is the Ego. This is great for your lawnmowers and your really large capacity and big power draw equipment. But for the handheld two-stroke alternatives, these little guys do the job quite well. You can check to see it's powered by pressing that button there, and all three lights are illuminated. And it's pretty easy to plug in. And the reason why we really like this little, what is this, edger? Edger slash weed whacker, thank you, is because it rotates. So you can kind of adjust the angle. See how simple it is? Oh yeah, whoops. So the reason why we like this edger slash weed whacker is because you can adjust the angle here. So depending on what you're doing, you can also very easily pull this length like so. Obviously it's a little long now. And then to use it, super simple. You don't have to crank anything. You don't have to mix the oil with, like, I forget what it was. It was like 1 ounce per gallon of the two-stroke oil. You don't have to do any of that. No pre-mixed cartridges. You just press this button and there you go. It's pretty great. You can demonstrate. Observe. Works just fine. Let's try that. Lock it in position. You can also adjust the height or the length. And it's super light. The other thing that's nice about the Power Share system is that with these two batteries, you can combine them for more power drawing equipment. So for example, for the trimmer, it uses 2 of these 20-volt batteries to give you the 40-volt. We use the blower that is plugged into the wall with an extension cord, because really all we have to do is blow the leaves out of our driveway, so we don't really need the wireless capabilities there. And we found that that's the most powerful for the cost. It's only like 50 bucks. This thing is about 70 bucks, 70 or 80 bucks, including a battery. And that thing is 100 bucks, and for 140, I think, we ended up getting 2 extra batteries as well as the fast charger. And I'll show you real quick how the charging works. So here we have the dual Power Share quick charger. It's plugged into the multimeter, drawing about 0.2 watts of power without any batteries installed. We see that the batteries are close to empty with only 1 out of 3 lights illuminated. They're rated at 36 watt hours, which is a little less than the expected 40 for given 2 amp hours at 20 volts. When the first battery is plugged in, it starts to pull close to the maximum, about 80 to 90 watts of power. When the second one is plugged in, we see that the power dips a little bit, and then the voltage creeps back up, again pulling the same 80 watts of power. So it would take theoretically twice as long to charge both batteries at the same time. Overall, it pulled about 0.06 kilowatts, which is less than the 0.072 that would be expected, costing less than a penny to charge both. So that's it. We really like this equipment. It's certainly environmentally friendly. For information about that, check out the first video, which I will link down below, that talks about the environmental impact of battery-powered lawn equipment compared to gas. And the second video in the series, which compares the battery-powered lawnmower to the gas-powered lawnmowers and how you can plug in your own information based on the size of your lot in terms of acres and your efficiency in mowing, so you can do a dollar-to-dollar comparison as to whether or not an electric mower is going to be best for you financially. And lastly, I'm an eye doctor, so wear eye protection whenever you're out on the lawn. That's it. See you next time on Saving Green. My name is Josh. Thanks again for watching.